Have you forgotten your passcode lock on Trust Wallet? Now this happened to me too, and I'm sharing what I exactly did to gain access to my wallet. If you head to Trust Wallet, there's nothing you can do. So simply get back and just long hold on to the Trust Wallet app to delete it from your phone. Once deleted, get to your App Store or Play Store for Android and search for the Trust Wallet application. You just want to reinstall the application back to your device. Now open up your Trust Wallet. Click on I already have a wallet. Here, create a new passcode you won't easily forget. Confirm by re-entering that exact passcode. Now tap on Skip. Here, select onto how you want to access your wallet. Since I have my secret phrase, we'll choose that. Now mark on these options and click on Continue. Search for your network and then enter your secret phrase. Now once done, tap on Restore Wallet. Your wallet will get restored back successfully. Well, that's how easy it is to again back your wallet if you forget your Trust Wallet passcode lock. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.